My car. I got
Where's Shlomi and Abrami?
I'll go get them.
Are you going to come back?
I'll go get them.
Mo, come here. Mo, Moses.
Mommy,
Are
I'm
you
gonna
gonna
go
put this in
get
your car?
Troy me and a rum.
Like all wet.
Hold on.
Troy me a rummy, come.
Do you want to take my car to bring Dina to the doctor?
Bobby was going to take her out anyway.
No, but I'm saying if she needs to go to the doctor. You want me to? You want, whatever you feel comfortable. Because, yeah, right now, you need to be doing. I need to be in the kitchen. And I need the bin.
Should I get it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boys!
Chametz. This is for bye-bye, Chametz.
Say bye-bye, Koblentzer. I am not playing with fire.
Yeah.
The fire that has my name? There's no more stick. I don't know what the poker stick? Yeah.
Here, what about that stick?
No, it can't be burned. Like burnable.
That's not going to be.
Why are you saying? Fire.
All my family together. Let me get in there.
We're not pulling out the fire. Say bye-bye, Koblentzer.
Bye-bye.
Now, which kind of big finger should we use on this fire? Type A. Type B.
ABC.
Type C. Or type D?
ABC.
I think any.
Yeah,
No.
you could use it.
But Mrs. Tannenbaum said we should have in our house is ABC one because ABC is for all of us.
ABC is for all of us. They're expensive.
Well, mommy, this is worth it. Can we put oil on it?
No.
Then we would need a seed. No. Like play like the narrator. Alright. Don't we have a brand now?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's for religious stuff to go out.
Yeah, sure. The other night, the police are gonna come over, right? What?
We're gonna say.
What do you think, Ma? Fire?
You were saying fire.
Fire
All
bread?
right, give me that.
Seymour!
Give me that box. Take the, what do you call it? Take the stuff that's not burnable out of the box. Take the, take the, just take that out of there, and put it in the bag, and then take off the tape.
With the bread of this kind.
I know. So that's why I put more stuff. Well, that's probably like it's all wet. Forget about it.
Okay, so should I bring paper?
So,
Here.
we have more to love him.
Can I burn?
So we love it for another, not for bread.
We have like wood chips in the back.
All right, go get them. Are they dry?
I don't know.
I would say they would.
Welcome to my.
Should I give you a different couple?
But let's touch this couple. It's not for him.
No!
Hey, we need to clean up this yard.
Alright.
Well, some of it we need to do today.
Just that one. Got this to burn.
What is that?
Got this to burn.
Why are you putting the face?
Alright. Yeah, burn it. Burn Leningrad.
No, that's Israel.
Burn Israel.
Why Leningrad?
That's our country. I need different pants. I'm gonna take that. Get up with a style.
No. Should I take the bunch of papers I have from most therapy? Put in there? Or no? Mommy?
Up.
rid of that, not
Because the burnt
Oh.
the bread.
That's why I tried
Welcome
to
to
put the
my.
paper. Whoa! How much wood would a woodchuck
Is that wood any good?
I don't know. Woodchuck. This is
Oh,
wood
what's
I
that?
Here's that. I just chucked some wood.
Wood?
It used to be log.
Hold on.
It was in that shed thing. Yeah, you were intended. You take it up.
Burn that.
No, get it over here. What? Over here where the bread is? That's how
Oh, well, see more I need.
Okay.
The excellent directions. Yes. Good job. Look at the tape.
Okay, Tina, move away.
Put it in.
Put it
in?
Should I put it one at a
Over
time?
here.
Put it
Over
in
here.
the top?
By mommy.
No, Gina, you can't push fire. Don't push fire.
You don't push fire?
I will set up fire. Lettuce. I eat peppers. Later. Yeah.
It was what it was like for my people.
You want to pour it in there, Robbie? Wood.
Gina, can you go back?
I don't know how far the
Fire.
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 Oh my.
Okay, it was only the cover.
It was only the cover. It was only the cover. It was
No, but it's all dirty now.
Okay, give it to me. I'll finish. What happened? It fell in the mud. Everything's fine. It wasn't the pages. It was just.
I put it on the fire, my goodness.
See? Oh, good. It's all good.
I know.
It's not my house. What, you want to take a picture?
I want to take the picture.
Musha, do not touch it. It's so good. Look at Musha's not.
Everybody go around the fire so I can take a picture of it. All right, everybody say Natan.
Natan.
Moshe, say Natan. Good.
All right, let me have the.
Mola. She doesn't have like a
Lighter.
lighter. Sally. One year. No, mother, it's just the northern lights.
Just the northern light. Just spit it out.
Seem pretty
Fire.
jaded, but
Fire.
You should the alarm.
I find your friends in. Maybe I'll pour coffee on it in. Oh, there we go.
I like when Rebbe sings it because he doesn't speak Yiddish.
Brenton. Husband. The Kinder Dome.
For what? Right. Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes.
Exactly what
Use
years
this
ago.
paper.
Moshe.
Science.
Formed a lifelong friendship with that.
Okay.
I wanted to watch it with you.
Explain why I have it here. I want you to. All the
Chairs.
Take stuff, we make stuff swastika.
Rebbe, put it in.
Swastika. Take it hitting good in my Nazi.
Right?
What they call what?
Mulberry.
When the fire is fully
Wow.
out, see what
Take a lot of chargers. All that stuff.
Once you're done washing your hands, you can take a piece of these.
No, brought him over.
Hey, Moshe.
Oh my God. So upset. This is my nice new shirt. Bro, were there any poison swipes?
Yes.
Science!
You need poison swipes, Tati. Here, go give your father poison swipes.
Today's gone, he's
Go get some.
All right.
Wait, hold on.
Did you see my put on the gloves?
Yes, we did. Because of
Was
the
it
blue
fell out?
light.
'Cause
Well, tomorrow, read it.
Oh, I thought we were putting in.
No.
I mean, it would burn
Something wet, you don't. This is poison.
It's alcohol and
You want Lysol fumes in our ecosystem?
yes.
Is there all our ecosystem? Well, what's the full one?
Well, tomorrow, read it. You got it. Oh, you got. Oh.
After the forgetting paper. There we go.
Read my
Matzah, then pizza.
Mola, you have to hear what just happened. Moshe, you have to hear what just happened. Moshe.
You got what happened?
Moshe, do you know what's like? Why is there smoke coming out of the oven?
Yeah, that's the oven.
See, why is there smoke coming out of the oven?
You never saw that?
what? Steam? Yes.
No.
Yeah.
on the
No.
Simpsons Where they
So why is
the
there
old
smoke coming
Simpsons,
out?
like very popular, where he comes over for lunch and
Superintendent Chalmers comes over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just.
You don't like it?
22 short films about Springfield.
You gonna dance? I need to teach everyone this dance. Crazy wasn't by that mannequin. Sit down, no? Right? Steam pans. Oh no, I said steam pans. That's where I come from. The hunter steam pans.
Yes. Is it doing anything?
I know. Steam pans.
Explain.
No!
Not in Utica. It's an Albany expression.
Drink it!
Whoa. It's
Yes,
an Albany expression?
This is a regional dialect. In what region? Upstate New York. And it's like, well, I'm from Utica. I never heard anyone called hamburger.
Oh no, not from Utica. It's an Albany expression.
You never saw that?
And I sent your expressive.
No, Paxton didn't do it.
4 steam pans.
Yes.
Oh, that's why 6 is.
How long is this song?
I thought like 5 minutes.
5 minutes? No. 4 minutes, 40 seconds.
Record 2,000 girls. During exact Jackson Dance School. Yeah, Larry, happy there. About Yalis. Around Yalis. And this time today, this time country, organize entirely with your kitchen. Yes. Can I see it? No. Seymour, the house is on fire. No, mother's just not. Well, Seymour, you was out, fellow. I must say, she's good hair. Help! Fire!
It's good to know that that whole sequence is the same amount of time.
Today's gone. Especially to like make sure I'll buy it. Seymour!
Now what?
Bart.
Maybe
Should I
like
play
a
this
candle or something we could put in there.
candle? Moses, come here. Come here.
I'm sending my bath, boy.
We'll go to the candle.
Bart!
like a Hanukkah candle or something.
There's a whole box of them in my car.
Yeah,
In
they're
your
all
car?
crazy cars.
That's her car?
Why are you laughing?
That's her final decision. Apparently, singing.
Moshe! Oh, you want to see my ID?
Yes.
Should Piggy push you around? Get in there. Moses, get in there. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Hello, what? Son, can I go?
I think he's too big. So, Millie said that.
Looks like it's close to the end. I don't know. It might be a funeral today. I don't know.
Mother, you can only go backwards.
That's what his son was saying.
Where is he?
Said it
Mother,
must be.
it's my turn.
It wouldn't be pushed off because of
And someone
I'm
time he passed away. If he passed away today, I think he might still get better. I don't know.
Where have
But
you
he's
been?
in
Right over there.
Yale New Haven, yeah. If he gets buried before like Zadie, then there's no shiva. There's 5 minutes of shiva. Buried before Yom Kippur.
Sadie died at like 7 in the morning. And the funeral was 2.
And then if he remember there was someone else in the shul who passed away the same day and they couldn't bury him until Yom
Yes.
Kippur, so then they had to sit shiva after.
Yes. I'm trying to remember who else died the same day.
Dina, how?
I can't remember. Was it so good?
I don't think it was someone who really came to shul.
No, it was. Was someone
Yeah.
What? When where?
when my father died. Someone else died
Homer!
years later. But they had to. They didn't bury him
here.
right away because at the time.
There's a traffic cone. Let you know that
That's
there's
a nice
traffic
picture
here.
of you.
Smile and yes.
Why would it expire in 2030?
The permits expire when you're 21.
It expires.
Oh, under 21. Yes, you're under 21. But you have a license. Not under 24. Does it say under 21?
Now, Faggy, that chasna that I'm supposed to do after I'm supposed to fly
What, they canceled?
out from Long Island, from JFK, from Queens, and then fly back to Scranton.
Okay.
So I don't know if someone, maybe you and Mommy together could leave my car in Scranton,
The island.
so I could drive out, or if I need an extra car, I need an extra key then, I guess. I don't know.
You only have one key, I thought.
Yeah, maybe I have to get another key.
Is yours a fob?
What?
Yeah, it's a key fob.
Hey, my teeth are officially Tyson thick.
That was expensive. Maybe it's not worth
Okay. So the island.
There's someone that's
like 500?
it. Yeah,
Don't go
Yeah,
too
that's
far.
What does E mean?
but it's still a key.
Where are they?
I'm going to say.
Did we find a candle?
I'm trying to find one. Can I just get a regular candle?
Whatever you
Why
have.
does
Because
Toast
I don't know
have
where the
beans?
Hanukkah candles went. We packed
They're
them
on
away.
top of the.
Oh,
There's some that are. You want me? I'll get
B
one.
is for corrective lenses.
Why is it so hot?
No, tell the government rules us. Where did Moses go?
I see.
He's out here still?
Yeah.
Why are you putting that there?
I want the people to know the license plate number.
You don't like
In
the
case you
license?
forgot. Kathy's still doing the live stream. Yes? Tati forgot. And look what we have.
But he's gonna get a copyright strike because I played a song.
Who ever isn't going to copyright strike us?
So is that what you did with the money?
No, that's
That's
it's a
mom.
credit card.
I thought you're doing a live.
Yeah.
Anyway, I have the stickiest wallet out of anyone in my class because no one else has a credit card.
I'm getting very
And a
nervous.
About what?
About what?
Now he's punished.
Start cooking.
Now he's punished.
What do you
What
do?
did
You
you
go to the
Tried to go to that stupid playground.
No,
Ma.
you get a pot. You want a pot?
No. You do not go to the playground. Do you hear me? No.
Moshe, are we allowed to go to the playground?
We go to the playground? No.
That guy.
Oh, you did?
Just now? No. In the summer.
Well, doesn't he realize he's autistic? I don't care.
Imagine having so little to do with your own life. Yeah, you're not good right for your
It's an attractive nuisance, and you can sue.
Even if he's not autistic, he is less than 8 years old.
I think he has the right to want to go to a playground. The last time he went over there was like 3 years ago.
Oh, yeah.
It's the first time in several years. And this past summer,
All right.
God was walking
Kol
around.
chamira v'chamia de ikver shusi, de chazite de lo chazite, de chamite de lo chamite, de biarte de lo biarte.
Did
The
fire
bottom of the
fire?
hefke ka'afar dar off. Kol chamira v'chamia de ikver shusi, de chazite de lo chazite, de chamite de lo chamite, de biarte de lo biarte. The bottom of the hefke ka'afar dar off. Kol chamira v'chamia de ikver shusi, de chamite de lo the chazite de lo chazite, the chamite de lo chamite, the biarte de lo biarte, the bottom of the hefke ka'afar dar off. Alle chametz and machmitzim was in man rishus was a gezegel that is nicht gezegelt was a rausgenommen nicht was a gesicht that is nicht gesicht was a rausgenommen and nicht rausgenommen so when bottle and so when hefker so wie the schmitz from the earth. All leaven and leavening agents which are in my domain, which I saw or which I did not see, which I sought out, which I did not seek out, which I removed or I did not remove, should be canceled and should be ownerless and nullified and should be ownerless like the dust of the earth. Tumid kol yemei chayayni. This is kain ladabik b'cho. Seirascha echa v'haboscha ladabik b'yetzer toiv tumid. Anachni v'zarayni there is zarayni me'ativ v'adelam kain yerutzain umay. May be thy will, Lord our God and God of our ancestors, that thou shalt have mercy upon us and rescue us from violating the prohibition against leaven even in the smallest amount. For us and for all of the members of our household and for all Jewish people this year and every year and year all the days of our lives. And just as we removed the chametz from our house and burnt it, so we should be worthy to remove the Yetzer Hara, the evil inclination, the devil on our shoulder from our midst, all the time, all the days of our lives. And we should be worthy to be connected to you and to thy Torah and to thy love, and to connect to the Yetzer Hatov, to the good inclination, the good angel on our shoulder all the time. We and our seed and the seed of our seed from now on forever. May it be the will of God. Amen. Hey, not another lahina v'lahev senu tavor kol chatsoinu ruchatuma tavorim in the arts. It's rain or tabirehu. Mitanu v'sitan lanu leif basar. V'chol asitra achra v'chol klipus. V'chol risha kula k'ashen tichle. Sabim shel zoding min haaretz. Kol mikim l'shchina tiborem baruch be'er baruch mishpat kashem shebartal mitzrayim es Elohim yomim ha'im l'zman hazeh. May it be thy will, Lord our God and God of our ancestors, that just as I removed the chametz from my house and from my domain, thus similarly, Lord our God and God of our ancestors, remove all the superficiality and all of the spirit of impurity removed from the land, and remove our evil inclination from inside of us, and give us a heart of flesh, and all of the other side and all of the external shells and all evil should all dissipate like smoke, and remove the evil government from the land, and all those who hold back from the divine presence should be removed with a spirit of removal and a spirit of justice, just as you passed over Egypt and you removed the Egyptians and their gods in these days at this season. Amen. Kashem shenoichi vosi levoyer as sifrei hachetzoinim v'maskilim eila. Kein yoser es etzvoinim Mizrahi Yisrael v'yosim in a bachurei chemed asher haskala matzu kan b'libam v'moichem v'yetzer v'valbel machshvoisam balarachim yirachim aleihim v'yitza b'kirbam munas abari munas tzadikim v'dichsiv yaminu badinoi v'moish avdoi v'ata b'sman v'yer chametz asher hu eis muksher al zeh l'garish levoyer as a seor sheb isa talmud b'kirbenos yalat filas oil ratzim l'fnei adin kol. Amen. Can you write some? May it be thy will, Lord our God and God of my ancestors. Just as I came to remove the improper books, so to remove the evil serpent from the seed of Israel, and specifically from the young men who have fallen into the trap of the Enlightenment movement. Find that the Enlightenment movement has nested in their hearts and in their minds, and they are confused in their thoughts. May the Master of Mercy have mercy upon them, and plant inside of them a faith in the Creator and a faith in the saints, as is written, and they believed in the Lord and in Moses his servant. And now at the time of the burning of chametz, which is a special time for this, to remove all of the leavening sourdough from the dough that is hidden inside of us, that may come up this prayer as goodwill before the Lord of all. Amen. So may it be His will. Do we have any sifrei minim to burn?
What? Can we roll this along?
Yeah,
I gotta get
done.
cooking. Okay, I need you to go get that bin.
Okay.
Sally, Raising.
I have
You take
one more seam to make after I take out the bin.